Hello everybody. I have whatever this Samsung printer is. It has horrible problems connecting to Wi-Fi until I figured it out, and most of the videos that are online aren't even in English, or it's not quite my printer. You're going to want to, I'm doing the WPS way because the other way you go through your computer and it really don't stay set up, but you want to find your WPS button on your router. And probably the light that blinks. Mine's the second one in there. And as long as it don't shut off all the way, you don't have to do the WPS button a second time. If this thing totally shuts off instead of going into power saver mode, the blue light will not appear. But I don't know why they don't have it under all these settings, especially network configuration. You think it'd be under there. And as soon as it sets up right, it normally prints off a piece of paper. So the way to do it, it's just sitting there. Press your WPS button and hold. 2 minutes, and it's starting to blink the blue light. You run to your router and press your WPS button on the side, as the second one down, until a light blinks. Second one in. Blinking. It's quite a walk. And then it says it's connecting. Ready. And that'll go solid. Oh, it's still connecting. Connected. And it's solid. And now it's going to print a piece of paper with all the information saying it's connected. All this stuff. And yeah, now it's connected. Go into power saver mode. Power saver mode, I have a thingy here. It tells me how much power it uses. It drops from 5 watts down to 3. I guess you save a little bit, but it still uses 3 watts just sitting here. If you totally shut it off, it uses 0.1, which is about how much your phone uses when it's on the charge. And then if I wake it up, that should say solid if it's still connected. It will not print another piece of paper. Yeah, it's still solid. It's hard to see. I got a glare. Both lights are lit up. If you totally shut it off, let it sit there for a little bit. And this will make it so anything that's connected to that Wi-Fi will be able to print from it. So your phone, as long as it's the same Wi-Fi. They did do away with, if you're off the network, like mobile printing, that's no more. Samsung gave it up. But the best thing is you can still use HP's scanning software. So if you totally shut it down, oh, I guess it's coming back. Is it going to connect? We'll see. It connected. So I guess, yeah, that's my name, Wiener Cleaner Express. So that's how you set it up. I know I had it unplugged because I had it plugged in over here and I moved it. And I had to reconnect just now too. So maybe it fixed it all. But if you're using one of these printers, quit using the Samsung. If you're doing documents, the Samsung app on your Windows 10 computer, it saves it as pictures. And I can never figure it out. If you use the HP one, it has like a flower or something on it, an umbrella, I don't know. It works great. You can scan as many photos as you want. After about 100 photos, if you try to save it, the app will crash, but you'll learn how to use it. Well, I hope this helped.